Now continue to import structural element to the Tekla Structural Designer. Click on the structural base B1 or come back to the view. Select base or B1 is the same. We use master 3. So those two structural wall is the same. Click on the model grid line, import DXF, open, untick all. Click on OC beam. Yeah, we want to import OC beam, OC column, OC wall, and opening. Import a shadow. A shadow. Do not take on architectural plan because we import already architectural plan. Now we want to import only the structural element. Click on the intersection point grid line 5A. Move to the reference grid line. Click on finish. Check the DXF unit correct millimeter scale, original scale. We use 1. Finish. Okay, seal. For the mezzanine floor, yeah, the same. You can check the mezzanine floor. When you model the beam in the beam, enter, check